So, have you ever been writing and suddenly stopped, wondering, wait, is it there or there? Is it your or your? If so, you're not alone. Homophones are words that sound the same, but have different meanings and spellings, and they love to trick us. But don't worry, I've got some quick tips to help you crack the case on these common homophones. First up, your versus you apostrophe re. This is actually pretty easy. U apostrophe re is just a contraction, so if you see the apostrophe, simply expand the contraction into two words, you are, and then test it in the sentence to see if it makes sense. Your, y-o-u-r, is just a possessive form. If it belongs to you, then use your, as in your backpack is on the floor. Next up, the infamous trio, there, and there. T-H-E-I-R shows possession, as in their dog is adorable. If you look at the word there, you'll see the word heir, which means to inherit or to possess something. So that can help you remember that there is a possessive. T-H-E-R-E shows place, as in the book is over there. This form of the word there has the word here in it, so that should be easy to remember as well. Finally, they apostrophe re is short for they are, again, a contraction. So if you see the apostrophe, just expand the contraction into the two words and you'll get they are. In the sentence, they're excited about the game, just turn the sentence into they are excited about the game, and you'll see that it works. To, and to. These are pretty easy as well. To is a direction, as in let's go to the park. Too with two O's means also or excessive, as in the sentence, I want ice cream too, or that's too much. That extra O in the word to should give you a clue that it means more. Finally, two is just the number two, as in I have two cats. Easy to remember. It apostrophe s versus its. Don't let these confuse you. Again, remember, if it has an apostrophe, expand the contraction into two words. It apostrophe s becomes it is. So instead of saying it's raining, you can say it is raining. The other it's with no apostrophe is just a possessive. The dog wagged its tail. Okay, these last two can be a little harder, but I've got a few tricks up my sleeve to help you understand their differences. Accept versus accept. Think of it this way. ACCEPT means to receive. I accept your apology. EXCEPT means to exclude. I love all vegetables except broccoli. Here's a tip. If you can remember that accept with the EXC beginning means to exclude, which has the same beginning three letters, right? Then you'll more easily remember the difference between accept with an A and accept with an E. Lastly, affect versus effect. Affect with an A is an action, as in the weather affects my mood. Affect with an E is a result, as in the new rule had a big effect. I'd like to think of affect with an A as the actor, both words starting with the letter A, so that's easy to remember. Affect, actor. While affect with an E is the end result of something. Both affect and end begin with the letter E, so that's easy to remember. Affect, end. There you have it. Homophones can be sneaky, but now you've got the tools to spot the differences. Keep these tricks in mind, and soon they'll be second nature. See you next time.